Hello and welcome back everyone to Universe Sandbox. I'm Spike Viper and you should slap that no, it's too early to ask you for that, alright? But today we're going to be simulating if a giant spaghetti monster attacked Earth because why not? You know, this is a question that many people have had. So first we need to figure out the density of spaghetti. Give me a moment. It's already started so well. Alright, density of spaghetti. Someone's gotta know this. Alright, so the density of spaghetti is 0.769 nice grams per milliliter. We're gonna keep that in mind and we're going to create a spaghetti monster. Brilliant. So, I guess the size of a spaghetti monster is really up to our interpretation. Like, the density will be accurate, and I need to make it look like spaghetti, right? I think actually a gas giant would work well for... Oh, that's a little bit too large, actually. We'll just make the planet look like... Oh, that's a really nice planet. We're gonna turn it into spaghetti, though. That's an interesting name. Erp... Wait, ERP. Oh god, no. Not again. The VR chat people will understand. Erpicanatation. Very nice. I'm a huge fan. Huge fan. Alright. We're gonna turn it into spaghetti. Okay? We're gonna go and get the appearance, and we're gonna spaghettify it. Let's go ahead and get the solid surface, set it to custom, and here we go. High, spaghetti. Middle, maybe like darker spaghetti. And low, we'll make it like orangey mac and cheese spaghetti. Very nice. We have to kill all the life on this planet because spaghetti generally doesn't have life growing on it. I mean, that would be some nasty spaghetti. I'm gonna be honest. There's no iron in my spaghetti either. I guess there is quite a bit of water in spaghetti, but we want the planet to kind of be visible, so we're just gonna cheat. Alright. Water, spaghetti. Ice. I guess we'll keep ice the same. Alright, we can have city lights on our spaghetti, that's fine. I don't see any issue with that, that's realistic. If you turn off the lights when you're cooking spaghetti, you will see there are cities on the spaghetti. Alright, the atmosphere... Spaghetti. Why is it so, like, it's not really using the colors I gave it. Kinda concerning. Like, look, it's not affecting anything. What is on the surface? What is going on? I feel like there's like a layer of ice, but there shouldn't be. Oh! Oh, that looks good. That looks like some good mac and cheese right there. Oh, that looks yummy. All right, so let's shrink the spaghetti planet. Switch it from ERP to spaghetti. And the density is gonna be, a milliliter is just a centimeter cubed, right? Right? I'm pretty sure, yeah. So 0.769. Wow! Okay, so using the density of spaghetti increases the size of the planet quite a bit. Rogue object, you mean spaghetti? Alright, so now we're gonna get the mass of this, and we're gonna turn it down a little bit, alright? So, we'll start with, like, a normal amount of... Okay, we'll save this first off, because this is going to be a, this is gonna be quite the experiment. First off, we'll do the amount of spaghetti a normal person would eat, right? Alright. So, like, I don't know, I'll do a pound of spaghetti. Alright? For metric purposes, we'll do a kilogram of spaghetti. And that deleted it. Okay, I cannot do 1 kilogram of spaghetti. We'll do enough spaghetti for the entire Earth. How about that? If everyone got 1 kilogram of spaghetti, we'll just do like 10 billion kilograms. Make it real simple. Where'd it go? Did I lose my spaghetti? I feel like I've said the word spaghetti far too many times in this video. Spaghetti, there it is. Alright. Ready? Boom. Boom. Alright, we're gonna go get spaghetti, and we're gonna set it to enough for everyone to be full. So 10, 1, 2, 3, that's 1,000. 1, 2, 3, that's million. 2, 3, that's billion. Oh, why is it still so large? I'm really confused. It's still really large. That is, okay, so this is supposed to be enough spaghetti. It's like getting green and moldy. That's kind of gross. This is supposed to be enough spaghetti to feed everyone on Earth, but this seems like way more. Way more. Like, that is massive. I don't understand why the radius is so high. Like, I did 10 billion kilograms. There's no way. There's no way it would be that large. Because, like, there isn't this big of a blob of humans, and humans weigh a whole lot more than a kilogram, and I think the density of humans is probably somewhat similar to the density of spaghetti. These are questions that we don't need answered, okay? Alright? Stop thinking about it. Okay. Let's just see what happens. Well, let's let this strike Earth and see what happens. I am mildly concerned about our methodology here. But what can you do? I don't know. It looks like the spaghetti is being affected by Earth's gravitational pull, and it was destroyed. There's now a cloud of burnt spaghetti that's about to impact the Earth, and it did. But it really had no effect. It just smells like spaghetti now. That's unfortunate. I think that it's just too small. So we will do slightly larger portions. We will do a spaghetti the size of like a quarter of the moon. But it didn't change size again. What is going on? What just happened? It just ate the entire Earth and it's just growing. Oh my god. What? It's cooking. Wow. That was really an Uno reverse card right there. Instead of eating the spaghetti ate us. Really says a lot about society. Okay, what's happening now? Okay, it's there it is. 2.9 times the radius of Jupiter. Spaghetti is 10 days old now. It's definitely expiring. That's probably why it's so green. Wow. I really feel like I've learned a lot today. Okay, alright. Okay. Let's go ahead. I'm going to try to make a reasonably sized spaghetti ball here. Like, that was still really large. Alright. We just go ahead. Okay, so what we do is we lock the density and we decrease the radius. There we go. See, that looks reasonable. But it just immediately dies. I think it's because the density is so low. I think the density is too low for it to, like, stick together. We may have to use just slightly more dense spaghetti. 40 set. Oh my god. Okay. Wait a second. No, that's. We need to go back to Grim. Yeah. Why did that go down so much? All right. We'll do some really dense spaghetti. We'll do like 5 times the density of spaghetti and see if that survives. It does actually appear that that survived. The spaghetti ball has impacted the surface of the Earth. This is some very dense spaghetti, though. But we get some nice macaroni clusters coming across the Earth. I think we solved world hunger. Each of these is like enough food to probably feed a nation. Oh, and look, it's being equally distributed across the world. This is true fairness right here. We have truly achieved spaghetti socialism. Look at that. Each one of those massive impacts killing millions of people is really just solving world hunger one step at a time. That was nice. That was good. We've learned a lot today. Spaghetti. Thank you for watching.